So you want to produce a networking event using Zoom. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's a great solution to do that. So a lot of people limit Zoom to only meetings or group conversations or sometimes panel sessions. But there's so many additional features of Zoom, and I'm going to link some of our additional tutorials and videos down below. I'm Georgie from GSD Solutions, and what I'm going to be telling you about today is how you can set up a networking event using Zoom. The first thing you want to do when you're setting up that networking event is determine the goal. What is the outcome that you're looking for? Do you want people to build deeper relationships, meet a lot of people, exchange business information? So determine your goal. Now, inside of Zoom, you could use breakout sessions to set up the networking experience. I've seen folks do this in many ways. I'll talk about two different ones. One way can be the matchmaking version, where it's one-to-one sessions that are pre-matched and individuals come in, you put them into the breakout room, and they're there for a set period of time. This can look like a vendor and a potential buyer connecting for a short period of time, and then you rotate it out, and then everyone has their time blocks. So for example, an hour-long session, if we're doing 10-minute batches, we could do 4 to 5 matchmaking sessions in that hour, and then leaving a gap for people to transition to their sessions, right? So that's one way you could do it using the breakout session feature inside of Zoom. Another way you could do it is, let's just say you have 50 people coming and you want to randomly match them in groups of 4, right? So inside of Zoom, what you would do is select how many breakout rooms you want to have, and then you could click randomly assign. So that's one way to do it with the breakout sessions, randomly assign. Or you could match people up by subject topic. So maybe you have 5 breakout groups and you're telling people, okay, for the next 15 minutes, select the first topic you want to discuss. They go into that room. It could be facilitated by a person from your team or a facilitator, or you could just have them talk. A helpful tip here is providing prompts, right? Having prompts that are pre-written. And prompts are icebreakers to have people kickstart that conversation. So questions like, what is your favorite experience in this topic? What do you hope to see for the future of this industry? So something that they may not be able to find on, a person's LinkedIn or social media, gets them critically thinking, get them diving into their interests and their wants, their needs. And that's really what builds blossomful and beautiful connections when people are networking, is not just the flat information. It's more of the dynamic. Like, how are you as a person different in this industry or space that makes me want to continue talking to you, makes me excited to know you, or want to potentially partner with you or be your friend for the future. So I hope these tips are helpful for you to create your virtual networking event on Zoom. If this is your first time setting up a Zoom event, we have a tutorial link below on how to set up an event inside of Zoom, how to set up breakout sessions inside of Zoom. And if you need additional support or you want a tech team to handle all of this, reach out to us at gsdsolutionsinc.com. If this video brought you some value, we'd really appreciate if you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments if you want to see any other content from us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.